Golf and sun exposure go hand in hand, but playing without the proper protection can be really hard on your body. Before your next big round, we want you to challenge yourself to try just a few tips that will help you play more safely under the sun.
Getting 15 minutes to an hour of sun exposure is a great way to get a healthy dose of vitamin D. But once you start to turn pink, you'll want to apply a mineral-based sunscreen. The Environmental Working Group at EWG.org is an excellent resource for finding a sunscreen to keep your skin safe without the added chemicals that can cause hormone imbalances and wreak havoc on your health. For best results, reapply your sunscreen every few hours, wear protective clothing, and seek shade whenever possible. To protect your skin from the inside out, be sure to include antioxidant-rich foods in your daily diet. Beta-carotene in particular is going to give you a nice golden tan. For a beta-carotene boost, try foods such as carrots, sweet potatoes, or winter squash. Other foods high in antioxidants include almonds, berries, red grapes, red wine, green tea, coffee, salmon, and even dark chocolate. To solar power your performance, add a sweet potato and green tea at breakfast, grab a handful of almonds and berries at the turn, and nourish yourself with a salmon salad and glass of red wine at the clubhouse.
Take the necessary steps to enjoying the game in a healthier way, and you can count this nutrition challenge as complete.